Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A16 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first you should go to the photos or to the gallery section, application, and here select, for example, these two photos, and now just here click to set as private, tap here. Now we should turn on the private save folder, so we should go here to the settings, and for example we'll set here the password. We can use a different password type like the pattern 4-digit password from 4 to 16 or just alphabetic. We'll use the pattern, for example in my case will be pattern like this, and here we can just set the name of our folder, for example the three ones, and here just click to OK. Here click agree and continue, and to accept the private save we should go to the settings and to privacy, and now just, well, you can use also here the face, but I don't want to do that, so just tap here to cancel. And as can you see, we got here our this privacy folder, and now we'll go here again to the albums, to our gallery. For example, we want to make a private these two photos, so click here to set as private, click here to private save, enter your password, and here as can you see we got these two photos right now on our private save folder. And if you want to just edit this folder, and for example to make visible this or these two photos, just select them and click here to set as public, and for example you can make it like this, and as can you see we got here these two photos again on our regular photo gallery. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.